Namaste. In this video, we are going to solve this problem here given. Brittney can build a large shade in 10 days, less than Cosmo can. If they build it together, it would take them 12 days. How long would it take each of them working alone? So here two persons, Brittney and Cosmo and total. Okay. So here says Brittney can build a large shade in 10 days less than Cosmo can. So Cosmo let X hours, X days. So this will be here 10 days less. So X minus 10. X minus 10. This one. Okay. This one is just like arrow. And for total here they take 12 days. So this is 12 days. Got it? Then we use this teamwork equation. So 1 upon Brittney takes x minus 10 days. So x minus 10 a value. What is b value here? This x. And what is total t value? 12. Here in the denominator x minus 10, x and 12. So least common denominator will be 12x and x minus 10. So we want to remove these denominator, that's why whole equation multiply by 12x, x minus 10. So this 12x, x minus 10 multiply with this first term, x minus 10 cancel, just left 12x and 12x times 1, 12x. Here this one multiply with 1 upon x, second term, x cancel, we get 12x minus 10 and this one multiply with 1. And this one multiply with this 1 upon 12, so 12 cancel, 1 times this one x minus 10. Okay, so we get x minus 10. Okay, this is 12x. 12 we can multiply with this parenthesis, so 12 times x, 12x, and 12 times minus 10 will be 120. X times x, x square, and x times minus 10, minus 10x. We can combine like terms. 12x plus 12x, 24x minus 120 is equal to x square minus 10x. Here x square, it means this is quadratic equation. So all terms shift one side. Here x square is positive, so all terms shift right side. So both sides subtract 24x and add 120. Add 120. So this is cancel, this is cancel. This will be 0 is equal to x square minus 10x minus 24x minus 34x plus 120. Now we can write x square minus 34x plus 120 is equal to 0. So what is product here? Product is 120 and sum is negative 34. So negative 30 times negative 4 is positive 120, and negative 30, negative 4, we get negative 34. It means we got two numbers here, x. Okay, we got two numbers, minus 30 and minus 4. Okay, So x minus 30 is equal to 0, or x minus 4 is equal to 0. What is x value? 30 goes right side, so it will be positive. Here 4 goes right side, so it will be positive. So we got x is equal to 30 and x is equal to 4. Okay. So here says Cosmo takes x days and Brittney takes x minus 10 days. So this is for Cosmo, and we can find out for Brittney. It will be x minus 10. This is for Cosmo, and this is for Brittney. I hope I pronounced correctly. Okay, so here 30 minus 10, which is 20 days, and here Cosmo for here 4 days, and for Brittney x minus 10. So 4 minus 10, it is negative 6, but it is not in negative form, right? So our answer is this one. Okay, Cosmo takes 30 days. We can write here days, and Brittney takes 20 days. Okay, this is our answer. So very simple question, but if you have any doubt, any queries, please ask me. If you liked my video, so please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Have a great day.